There's a lot to celebrate this National Day, like how far we've come as a nation, our perseverance through hardships, and our hopes for the future. Here at Mitsubishi Electric, we believe that technology can be used to make our world a better place, helping us do more, faster, and even working together as a team to achieve amazing things. We're paving the way into the future with our newest innovation, the Mitsubishi Electric Collaborative Robot, or the MELFA ASSISTA. In collaboration with our eFactory Alliance partner, Handplus Robotics, we are proud to be part of the celebration by having our cobots help prepare this year's NDP packs. The cobot is a dynamic industrial-grade robot specifically designed with user needs in mind and built to work in a cooperative environment alongside humans. With the latest state-of-the-art advancements in design and engineering, the cobot is the perfect solution for our current and future robotic automation needs. It possesses unique capabilities and features such as a fast and easy installation process, easy control with direct teaching and operation buttons at the robot arm, easy visual programming, where no robot engineering expertise is required, and the capability to navigate its environment while rapidly responding to unexpected variables, ensuring maximum safety when working in close proximity with human operators. In a world where human capital is becoming increasingly valuable, putting the cobots to work alongside humans is a progressive step towards collaborative automation and operational efficiency. With the cobots doing more of the repetitive tasks, we're able to spend more time on what matters. We've seen how much we can accomplish as a nation when we work together towards a common goal. Join us as we strive to create something truly special this National Day. We are stronger together.